In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on AOL Mail. We will do this using Google Chrome, since that is what AOL Mail supports best for this fix. Follow along on your own screen so you can adjust the same settings and get AOL Mail working properly. First, open Chrome and click or tap the three dots in the top right corner. On a computer, you will see the three vertical dots at the very end of the toolbar, beside your profile icon. On a phone, the dots are also in the top right, near the address bar. Once you tap those dots, a menu will drop down or slide up, showing options like New Tab, History, and Downloads. We will go into the configuration area from here. From there, select Settings. On desktop, you will see Settings near the bottom of that menu, right above Exit. On mobile, Settings appears a little further down the list, under options like Bookmarks and Recent Tabs. Go ahead and tap or click Settings now. When it opens, the main Chrome settings page appears, usually with your Google account at the top and different sections listed below. This is where Chrome controls things like passwords, appearance, and privacy. Now look for the privacy controls. Click Privacy and Security on the left menu or tap Site Settings on mobile. On a computer, you will see Privacy and Security as one of the main sections on the left sidebar, along with tabs like You and Google. When you click it, the right side changes to show items such as clear browsing data, cookies and other site data, and security. On a phone, Site Settings appears in the list, and when you tap it, you will see options for permissions and cookies. If you do not see it at first, scroll a bit until it comes into view. Next up, click Third-Party Cookies. On desktop, this appears as a specific entry under Privacy and Security. When you click it, a new page opens showing several choices about how Chrome handles third-party cookies. On mobile, inside Site Settings, you will find a similar third-party cookies option that opens its own page. This page is where Chrome decides whether sites like AOL Mail can save and read the small cookie files they need for sign-in and staying logged in. After that, select Allow Third-Party Cookies or choose Block Third-Party Cookies in incognito mode to ensure they work normally. Allow third-party cookies is the most reliable option if AOL Mail kept signing you out or not loading folders. If you prefer more privacy, you can instead choose to only block them in incognito mode, which keeps normal Windows working with sites such as AOL Mail. As soon as you click one of these options, Chrome applies the change right away. There is no separate save button. With that ready, here is an optional site-specific fix. If you want to only allow AOL Mail, scroll down to Allowed to use third-party cookies. Click Add, type mail.aol.com, and click Add. On mobile, you will see a similar Add button in that same section. After you confirm, mail.aol.com appears in the Allowed list, which tells Chrome to always let AOL Mail use cookies even if other sites are more restricted. You have now enabled the cookie settings AOL Mail needs so it can sign you in and keep your mailbox working smoothly. If this helped you get AOL Mail running again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple email fixes.